This module will familiarize you with the CTD dashboard and with overall navigation of the CTD interface. The first thing you'll see when you log into CTD is the Welcome Back dialog. Type in your assigned username and access password, then click the Login button. Whenever you log into CTD, your first stop will always be the main dashboard page. There are 4 important aspects to the CTD user interface, and no matter where you navigate to in CTD, you will always have access to them. The activity bar on the upper part of the screen contains admin and configuration controls that give you basic information you'll need to operate and navigate within CTD. The search bar on the left allows you to find sections of the CTD user interface by typing in part of the interface's section name. The main menu contains the controls that allow you to navigate CTD by drilling down into its various sub-applications. Finally, the small cogwheel in the lower left corner will take you to the CTD settings menu. Here, you can set and adjust the major operational aspects of CTD. If you click the hamburger icon in the upper left-hand corner next to the Claroty logo, you can hide and re-show the menus. You will only ever see the site selector if you happen to be logged into a CTD EMC. The EMC's user interface is almost the same as the CTD interface itself. If you are logged into an EMC and one or more CTD sites are connected to that EMC, the site selector will show a drop-down that allows you to switch your view between the EMC and the connected sites. The navigation path provides a breadcrumb trail that shows you exactly where you are within the CTD interface at any given moment. The user menu contains administration and configuration controls that give you basic information you'll need to operate and navigate CTD. Clicking your user icon will show you the installed CTD version, your login statistics, the current language the user interface is set to, a link to the API Explorer documentation, the current date and time, and controls to change the time zone and your CTD password, and finally, to log out. Taking a closer look at the main menu, we can see all the major sections of CTD. The dashboard section gives an overview of the environment that is being protected by CTD, along with dynamic graphs and metrics. The visibility section shows detail about the visibility and exposure of all system hardware assets. The risk and vulnerabilities section helps identify aspects of the network that can be fortified, with the goal of achieving a more robust network architecture and enhanced system protection. The threat detection section helps give early warning and identification of threats to the system. The investigation section contains tools you can use to investigate alerts and events within the network. The reports section allows you to generate summarized and configurable risk assessment reports that assess possible cybersecurity risks within the system. Finally, CTD contains management tools. These tools and settings are used by system administrators to set up and customize CTD's features as needed. This concludes the training module for CTD dashboard and navigation aspects. Thank you for your time.